Welcome again to Budget with Brian. It's been a funny old summer. Not many tool shows, and this channel likes to show new tools that I get excited about and want to show you. But what I haven't covered for some time at all, perhaps, is aftermarket batteries. Now, I've said before and reported before on my love of the Makita 10.8, particularly the impact driver. It's the weapon of choice for lots of work that I do. The original battery is a 1.3 amp hour battery. The model number is BL1013, and the amp hour rating means how much juice there is in the battery and its run time. So the more I can get, the less frequently I've got to charge it. So I moved to the aftermarket, and here is what looks to be the same battery. It fits the charger and the tool. It's for the same model number, and it's 1.5 amp hour. Recently I needed more batteries, so I bought online this 3 amp hour battery. In fact, I bought 2 of them. And the interesting thing is that they're the same weight, same size, and you've got to say, either the battery technology has changed so you can pack the same amp hours or higher amp hours into the same package, or perhaps the label doesn't really mean that it can do 3 amp hours. I'm going to test it by running them flat from charge to empty, and I'll do that in another report. But one of the moans I want to have is that of Makita. I'm forced to do that and buy these batteries, not forced exactly, but push down the direction of it, because Makita's 10.8 has changed to a model called the LXT, and it just uses a different battery shape and so on. So I'm supposed to buy another tool. If one of them packs up, this one is a dead one, I've reported on it before, and I bought a new one. Batteries look very similar, whatever they are. This is a Bosch one. And Bosch, cleverly, have made a 4 amp hour battery that would fit this, and I've reported before that it fits my router, which you might expect would use a lot more current, a lot more charge. And I don't know why Makita think it's necessary to try and push me down another tool. These are fine. I'm in love with them. They do a magic job. The aftermarket batteries work well. That one, if it is 3 amp hours, was £13. I wouldn't mind you paying £13 for a 1.5 or 1.3. I just needed 2 more batteries. But at 3 amp hours, if that's genuine, got a bargain. Interested in your comments. Have you ever done the test? Have you bought these aftermarket batteries? Have you had any great problems with them? And Makita, if you've got something to say about why we have to change battery platforms like this, lithium ion is with us forever, as we stand. So why could not the LXT range have fitted your perfectly lovely tool? I don't need to throw the tool away. Love a reply. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, and don't forget, subscribe. We're up over 600 now.